Imagine starting your day with a warm, aromatic cup of lavender tea. The soothing floral notes fill the air, instantly bringing a sense of calm and relaxation. Lavender tea daily can transform your routine, offering a natural way to unwind, rejuvenate, and enhance overall well-being. But what happens when you drink it every day? Let's explore the benefits and how it can change your life. Lavender tea has been cherished for centuries for its soothing properties. Whether you need relief from stress, better sleep, or improved digestion, this herbal infusion might be the answer. But in a world full of tea options, why should you choose lavender tea daily? Many people struggle with tension, restless nights, and digestive discomfort. Could this simple habit be the key to improving these daily challenges? The calming properties of lavender are widely known, but drinking it as tea offers additional advantages. Regular consumption can help lower stress levels, promote restful sleep, and support digestion. Many tea lovers also report enhanced mood and reduced headaches. Unlike caffeinated beverages, lavender tea provides relaxation without jittery side effects, making it a perfect choice for any time of day. Scientific studies suggest that lavender contains compounds that influence the nervous system, helping to alleviate anxiety and tension. When consumed as a tea, these benefits become part of your daily routine, gently supporting mental clarity and emotional balance. Many people who drink lavender tea daily experience an overall sense of calm, making it easier to focus and feel refreshed. Plus, it supports digestion by soothing the stomach and reducing bloating. If you're looking for a natural way to enhance relaxation and well-being, this might be the perfect addition to your diet. One of the most noticeable effects of drinking lavender tea daily is improved sleep quality. Many struggle with restlessness, but incorporating this tea into your nightly routine can help signal your body that it's time to relax. The gentle aroma alone has been shown to encourage deeper, more restful sleep. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed instead of groggy, ready to take on the day with renewed energy. Incorporating lavender tea into your daily life is simple. Enjoy a cup in the morning to start your day on a peaceful note, or in the evening to wind down before bed. The best part: it's caffeine-free, so you can enjoy its benefits without worrying about disrupted sleep. By making this a daily habit, you'll unlock a natural way to manage stress, improve digestion, and support overall wellness. If you're ready to experience the soothing benefits of lavender tea daily, why not give it a try? Make it a part of your routine and feel the difference for yourself. Let us know in the comments if you've tried it and how it has improved your daily life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might benefit from the power of lavender tea.